If you open a lot of cans or you have issues with hand strength, an electric can opener is a wonderful thing. But too many of them are terrible. Now look at this, super cute, but check out how slow it is. Now we tested 8 products in 2 styles, countertop and little battery models. They're priced from about $16 to about $50. Now our testers, including one with arthritis, use them to open more than 100 cans, from small tuna cans to big cans of tomatoes. We even tried cans with dents and cans with pull tops. Stop, 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 stop. Yes, okay, who has time for that? Some of them choked right from the start. They were hard to use, the cans had to be positioned just so, and sometimes it was hard to tell exactly what they needed to work right. And some tipped over with heavy cans. Okay, nobody needs that. Now these little guys, they were adorable. This one was wobbly, and 2 of the 3 models we tested broke during testing. The replacements were no better, and they were kind of ridiculously slow. This guy took an average of 46 seconds to go around 1 can. The best took just 12 seconds. In the end, we had one battery model that wasn't bad. It was called the Kitchen Mama electric can opener, about $26. The cutting wheel got slightly bent during testing, but it still worked, so we took a few points off. But the good part is it fits easily in a drawer and doesn't have to be plugged in. But countertop model, the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch electric can opener, at about $30, aced all our tests. This thing easily latched onto cans of all sizes. It's fast, it never tipped over. It's also a safety opener. It's cutting into the side of the can, so it's leaving no sharp edges. And it even opened pull top and dented cans. It's our new test kitchen favorite.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.